Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video, we are going to see exercise 9.2 problem number 1. Look at the question. A rectangular acrylic sheet is 36 cm by 25 cm. From it, 56 buttons, each of diameter 3.5 cm have been cut out. Find the area of the remaining sheet. See, let us understand the question first. So for that, I am taking new board. Yes. Suppose you have this rectangular acrylic sheet, right? Okay. So from that, what is the length and breadth given? Length is 36 centimeters given. Yes, and this is 25 centimeters, right? Suppose from that, this kind of circular buttons cut out. So what is the diameter of that buttons, right? So total number of buttons, like these buttons, total number of buttons given, total buttons, number of buttons given, how much? 56, right? They are in circular in shape, right? So total 56 buttons cut out from this sheet, right? Okay, so the diameter of the button, how much? 3.5 centimeter, right? So after the cutting of these buttons, right, so what is the remaining area that we have to find? It means, see, I'm shading that part with the blue color part. See, okay, so this part we are having, right? So we have to find this remaining part area, right? So to find that remaining part area, first of all, we have to find the each button area which is in the circular shape, right? Then multiply with 56 buttons, right? We get the 56 buttons area. Then after, find the area of the rectangular acrylic sheet. Okay, so now subtract the circular buttons area from the rectangular sheet area, then we get the remaining part area, right? Got it? Let's see, I will write the formula here. Right, to find the, what we have to find? We have to find the remaining part area, right? The area of remaining sheet after cutting (56) buttons. What is that? Area of rectangular sheet minus area of 56 buttons, right? So let's find the area of rectangular sheet first. So area of rectangular sheet, what is that formula? That is nothing but area of rectangle is L into B, given L as how much? 36 centimeter given, B as how much? 25 centimeter given, right? So 36 centimeter into 25 centimeter, what is the answer? Yes, 36 into 25 approximately, right? Okay, exactly 900 centimeter square, right? This is the area of the rectangular sheet, right? Next, find the area of the circular button. So see, area of circular button, what is the formula? Area of circle, that is nothing but pi r square, right? So pi r square. So given diameter of the button, how much? 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so d is nothing but 2r, right? So that is r is equals to d by 2. So d is 3.5 centimeter by 2. So 2 ones. Okay, point dash is how much remaining? So 1.75 is right. So r is nothing but 1.75 centimeter is the radius. So substitute this value in this formula. So pi is nothing but, what is the value of pi? That is 22 by 7. R given, we have right here, we got that 1.75 centimeter. So 22 by 7 into 1.75 centimeter whole square, right? So 22 by 7 into 1.75 centimeter into 1.75 centimeter. So what it becomes? 7 ones 7, 0.25. Okay, so now we got 22 into 0.25 centimeter into 1.75 centimeter. Okay, so if you multiply, so 25 into 175, 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 12, 7 5 35, 3 here, 7 2 is 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, once again we shall check. 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 125, and 7 5 is 35, 5 here, 3 here, 7 2 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 here, and remaining 25 as it is. So 5, 7, 12, 13, 1 here, so 4, 3, 7, 5 into 22 now, right? So 2 5s are 10, 2 7 14, 15, 1 here, 2 3 6, 2 4s 8, and again 8 6 5 0 as it is, 0 5 11, 1 here, 14 15, 1 here, 9 5, 9 5 1. Once again we shall check. 2 5 is 10, 2 7s 14, 15, 1 here, 2 3 6, 6 yeah, here it is 7, right? 7 here as well as 7 here. I've done a mistake. Yeah, 0 5 12, 1 here, and this 12 plus 8 8 16, 1 here, so 9 6, what is that? 96250 centimeter square, and we have decimal points 1 2 3 4. Take the decimal point after the 4 places. 1 2 3 4. So take the decimal point here, right? What is the answer? 9.6250 centimeter square is the each circular button area. Okay, each circular button area is equals how much? 9.6250 centimeter square, right? So how many buttons we have? For 56 buttons. So what is that area? 56 into 9.6250 centimeter square, right? Let us take one more page. So now 56 into 9. So 56 into 9.625, right? So 9.625 into 56. 6 5 is 30, 3 here, 6 2 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 5 here, 1 carry, next 6 6, 36, 37, 7 here, 3 here, 6 9 is 54 plus 3 57, right? Next 5 5 is 25, 5 here, 2 here, 5 2 is 10 plus 2 12, 2 here, 1 here, 5 6 30, 31, 1 here and 3 here, 5 9 is 45, 45 plus 3 48, right? 0 10, 1 carry, 10, 1 here, it is 9 and this is 13, 1 539 000. So 539 000, we have two decimal places to, so take the point here. So 539 centimeter square is the area of 56 buttons, right? So therefore area of 56 buttons, how much? 539 centimeter square. So what is the formula we have? What we have to find actually? The area of remaining sheet is equal to how much? How much it is? So area of rectangular sheet minus area of 56 buttons, right? Clear? So now what is that? What is the area of rectangular sheet? That is 900 we got, and this one 539 is the 56 buttons area. So take the subtraction. What is the answer? 361 centimeter square is the area of the remaining sheet, right? So therefore area of the remaining sheet is equals how much? 361 centimeter square. Okay, right? That's it, the solution. This is 1, not 9. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.